Hello everyone. Good morning. Very beautiful morning. Lovely nature. Nature is there to heal us. As I said, whatever happens, just give some time in your day to day life in nature. These plants, these birds, or I will say the Pancha Mahabhuta are there to heal you. Force yourself to spend some time there and see the magic. You will get lots of positivity. You will see the great positive change in yourself. Wow, what a cool air. Amazing breeze. Come on. Just come, sit, take a deep breath. Inhale all the positivity. Exhale all the negativity. That's it. Have a great day. Have a great positive day.